All right, let's set it up. We got Asinga coming up here in the boys 100. Issam's got a personal best of 10:44. His top competition here would be to his outside, to his left, and Kaj Baker, the freshman, 10.56 personal best. But we'll have Devon Patterson in lane 1. Stephen DeGregorio is in lane 2 for Mandarin. Trayvon Tyson of Choctaw is in 3. Ryan Gonzalez, Dorado Academy, is in 4. Asinga, national record holder in the 60 and in the 200 indoors, will be featured in lane 5. Kaj Baker, one of the top freshman sprinters the state's ever seen, from Somerset Academy, being 6. Lucarian Suddeth of Bay Academy in 7, and Kavon Miller in lane 8 right now. Currently, this season's number 1 time in the country, win legal, is 10:29. State leading time in U.S. number 2 is 10:40. So we'll see what Asinga can do coming off, fresh off his outstanding 200-meter time last night, as he ran a U.S. number 1, 20.57. A win legal effort, and the winds have been favorable here with a slight tailwind, but under that win legal threshold. And here we go, boys 100, and we're off. There's Asinga, take it off already. Oh my, look at him running away here. Asinga. Let's see it. Let's see the time. Asinga, 10:06. But that will be win aided at 10:3.1, but 10:06, mind-blowing. 10:46 for Kaj Baker. Trevin Tyson, 10:58. That's one of the fastest all conditions times, but it will be win aided there for Asinga. But 10:06. Oh my. Asinga there just lit it up. And just all time, looking at conditions there, it's got to be one of the faster all times. Definitely the fastest all conditions U.S. number 1 time. That's 10:06. It's going into pretty special territory there, just all conditions. Only got probably about 15 or so athletes that have run that fast, regardless if got a win gauge or not, or win aided or not. So Asinga just put on quite a show in our boys 100.